not only don't care about their country, they only care about themselves and their power. And even worse than just passively not caring, they are actively destroying our country. And that is what should be of most concern for all the Americans, for all of us as Americans. If you love this country and you care about us and our democracy and our future, our safety, our security, our freedom, pay very close attention to this and then take action to throw these people out of office.
Give me my card. I saw it happen.
Well, Tulsi.
When we come back, by the way, do you carry, by the way? Do you have concealed carry insurance? I'll have to talk about it next. The TCU Horned Frogs are now undefeated at 4-0. The Kansas Jayhawks.
Dolgozott az elmúlt években szintén egy filmben, kettős a Trollok a világ körül című rajzfilmet írtak egy dalt. A Kill Bill című dal pedig mi másra is hivatkozhatna, mint Quentin Tarantino remek művére, az azonos című mozifilmre, ami 2003-ban, második része pedig egy évvel később került a mozikban. Siza Talának videójában ő folyik a filmben,
What? What the fuck are you doing? Come over here, bro. Go. What the fuck are you doing?
inside Home Depot shopping when I got a security alert from Tesla. Cepat banget sih begini.
Yeah, he knows.
I have other projects, so okay. I'm just driving in bumper to bumper traffic. Just gonna sit there until 4:15 talking to Scott. I was like, oh my God, shut up. I love you.
Holy shit. Okay.
What?
Some
Okay,
assholes
like
over here doing road rage.
Oh, be careful. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, I just almost rear-ended the guy, and the guy behind me almost rear-ended me. And this guy's still just doing brake checks on the road.
UBJ 515. UBJ 515. UBJ 515.